Right, so the installation of the stage 2 ignition upgrade from ECS Tuning is complete. Basically, you remove all your old coil packs, you put this on, you remove the vacuum reservoir, relocate it, and then change out the hose over here. So basically, what I did over here, I'm gonna upload on the video so you guys can see step by step what I did. But I ran out of things to get for the car already, so I decided to get this to replace my old coil packs. I've had the car for a year now and I've done pretty much everything on it. The packs that I'm replacing are Eldor and yeah, pretty much I wanted to dress up the engine a little bit. I do have an engine cover for this, so this will get covered up, but it's a very easy installation without taking videos and stuff. Should take about 20 minutes if you don't have to look for a place where you're gonna mount this vacuum reservoir. So what I did is I used the old mount, and then I found a place to put it up on. Ran the vacuum hose all the way around over here and then into where it's supposed to go. I'm gonna be trying it out. I don't know how old those ignition coils are, but after everything, I have not been disappointed in this car. Mk4 turbo upgrade, Bosch injectors over here, 3-inch intake, stage 2 plus, tuned by Unitronic. I ran out of things to do, so ECS coil pack, stage 2 upgrade, that's what I did. Right, so installation of this thing is pretty easy. Just got to remove that part right here, came from over here, disconnect all the plugs, pull it out. Ran out of parts to put on the GTIs, so now I am upgrading the coil pack. Need to do the adapter plate because the coil packs are longer. So these are the 2.0 coil packs. You get a nice little adapter plate, and this is the difference between the two. So that's a difference that the adapter is gonna what's it called, gonna do. Got some nice shiny bolts and adapter hold downs for the thing. I guess I have extra because this one comes with a standard, and then this one is for the stage 2. It's gonna be very nice. So now the coil packs are in, they're plugged in. Time to do the adapter plates. I mean the tie downs. Very nice with a nice ECS tuning design on it. So they're gonna go like that. So we can have ECS tuning, and then ECS tuning over there too. So I'm gonna finish installing the rest of these guys. Very simple installation. Did I need this? Probably not. I wanted to get it because I ran out of parts to buy for the car, and since getting the car, since we've already done everything on it already, I haven't changed my coil packs, and I figure why not, you know, change the coil packs with the 2.0 coil packs and the adapter plate and everything looks freaking fantastic. Anyways, let me finish installing these guys and we'll see how it does. Fairly easy installation. Now I've got all the tie downs in place. 5mm Allen. For the tie down. Screwdriver fitting for the top to keep it pushed down. On the stage 1, it doesn't have this. I thought it was a really nice option to keep it from popping out, but those suckers are on there. Supposed to have a smoother ride. So tie down is on. This one went on, but this one popped out. Maybe it's not a good what's it called? These are the standard bolts that came. Should reach, but I don't know why I didn't tighten. Nope. Good thing I do have extra bolts. We'll try this with or without a washer. Let's see if it'll work. Thank God for extra bolts. Without the washer. Fantastic. Without the washer it is. Extra parts on there, and that finishes the installation of this. Next part of the installation is this used to go over here like this, connected to this bolt and this bolt, and they give you some extra vacuum line so you can relocate it, and the best place I found was over here. It was either going to go over there or over here, and over here it just fits perfectly, just like that. So I'll be installing it over there, and then I'm going to be running this hose right around over here, make it go back around over here. And they do give you this, and I just put 2 and 2 together. I guess it's supposed to go in like that. This one will go into this vacuum hose, and then this end will go over here, and I'll clean it up all nice and continue the video after putting this on.